Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove. So I made a video, guys, on how to remove these belt moldings and then reinstall them, but I didn't show you guys how to remove this little cap right here in the corner. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. I took the mirror off already, so the camera guy can get a good, shot at that. I'd say open the door, and I'll do from here so the camera guy can get right into here. But if you stick anything flathead, and just give it a, yeah, see, it wants to come out. There it goes. It's 1, 2, and 3. This clip will come out easy. These two guys, try not to break them. They're right into here, these little grommets. It's a very simple way of removing them, and install is just as simple too. So when you remove it, then let's go ahead and reinstall it. So let's say you wanted to black out your chrome. If you've got the chrome painted, you want to paint this piece too. That's how you remove it. And then reinstalling it, just line up these two pins straight, and then the top one, usually I'll, make sure you get the 1, 2, 3 click. That's it. This is very simple how to remove and reinstall one of these, I don't know what you call them. Window trim molding, cladding. Door clad. I want to say fender. They call it fender cladding, or fender molding. How to remove and replace the fender molding, I guess. I don't know. But that's how you remove that and reinstall it. And it goes the same for the other side. Only problem is the other side's broken. When the accident popped off, so don't have it at the moment. All right.